Another day, another plane. We're back in China, and this time we're with Volkswagen. So we're here for a quick plant tour, check out 2019 Auto Shanghai, and to see what particular cars might actually hit our shores. So China obviously has a massive population and of course massive buying power. So it's here since '84 that the VW Group has learned how to sell cars to the Chinese, and they in turn have learned how to make really good cars. Now, VW maintains that whether it's built in China or built in Germany, it really doesn't make any difference. So I asked Director Bushman how those people that have stigma still feel about it, and he said, well, he's living proof, because in his Passat he was hit by a bus. He's still standing, kicking ass and taking names. That's pretty solid proof. Sights and sounds abundant at the 2019 Auto Shanghai. The main focus for me, though, are the three gorgeous beauties in the center of the VW display. And those are the Terramon X, the ID Rooms with 2 Zs, and the next generation Sagittar. Motor show, Volkswagen Philippines President Mr. Estrella hinted our shores are in queue for 2 new models, and they both start with the letter T. Not exactly the smoking gun, but of the 5 models seen in Shanghai, one of them could be the Terramon, which seems like a good 7-seater choice for our market.